Hey guys, it's my HD here and welcome to the Infinix Note 8 unboxing and review. The Infinix Note 8 with me here is that of 6 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and this goes for the price of 90,400 naira, and there's no S Pen accompanying the smartphone in the box. Which brings the question, should you upgrade from the Infinix Note 7 or should you rather buy the Infinix Note 8i with the same processor at a lesser price? Well, I already made a review video on the Infinix Note 8i. I will drop the link in the description below so you can go and watch it. Now back to the Infinix Note 8, the smartphone is big, tall and heavy. To be very honest, if you have a small hand, this phone is not for you because of how large it is. The Infinix Note 8, however, now has 3 improvements which perhaps should be a reason for you to consider buying it. First is the improved cameras. Instead of the 48 megapixel in the Note 7, the Infinix Note 8 has taken it higher to 64 megapixel back cameras, while on the front, instead of a single camera, you now have dual selfie cameras. Just stick around for a moment, I will soon show you sample images I took. Now the second upgrade is the processor. The Infinix Note 8 uses the MediaTek Helio G80 chip, making it the most advanced Infinix Note device of 2020. The Helio G80 chip is a little better than the G70 found in the Infinix Note 7. And the last upgrade here is the USB Type-C port now available in the Infinix Note 8 series. So basically, those are the 3 upgrades found in the Infinix Note 8. And please, if you are by any way enjoying this video, a sub to the channel will be so much appreciated. So let me show you some camera samples I took. The camera interface of the Note 8 are familiar. The rectangular camera cutout here are the 16 megapixel primary plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. Here are samples of the front camera. There is also an ultra steady shot feature which helps in video stability. The video on my right is shot with the video stability feature on. The one on the left is without video stability. You will easily notice the difference in these two videos. On the rear, you have 64 megapixel primary camera. The others are 2 megapixel lens each, which means there is no ultra wide angle lens. Here are samples of daytime images I took. You notice the sky is blue, the color retain are decent, but the shadow are not that bright. Well, under sunlight or under a good light condition, the Infinix Note 8 can take good images. The daytime images are good considering the price of the smartphone. However, the super night mode is bad. Comparing the night mode of the Infinix Note 8 to that of the Oppo A93, you will notice the Oppo A93 night mode is better. Not fantastic, but at least it's better than that of the Note 8. The Infinix Note 8 has dual front flashlights and there are 4 back flashlights. Overall, the Infinix Note 8 cameras are good for daytime shots, but night mode is a bummer. The display is big for gaming and Netflixing. Watching of movies feels good and great, and playing games with the phone is fun. You will never get the unnecessary lagging. The phone not the hook, not the hang. The 6 GB of RAM plus Helio G80 chip gives you a smooth performance. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner also responds fast. Because of the big display, Infinix made sure the device also comes with a big battery size, 5200 mAh capacity with 80W fast charge enabled. On the software part, the smartphone runs Android 10 out of the box based on Infinix's own software SOS 7. There are a couple of tricks here and there that I will talk about in my coming videos, so please subscribe already if you haven't. The Infinix Note 8i offers the same value at a cheaper price, which makes me think it would be better to go for the Infinix Note 8i than the Infinix Note 8 itself, considering it's also cheaper. But let me know your opinion in the comment section. Also remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on coming videos. Thanks for watching the Infinix Note 8 review. It's my here. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you in my next one.